Hello everyone, welcome to Bucktool. Today I would like to introduce to you two of our excellent bench drill presses. First, take a look at our benchtop drill press 6.0 amp. It uses a powerful electric motor to spin the slew quickly. This allows the drill to weld wood, plastic, and light metals with ease. Its feed mechanism and work table adjustment are flexible, ensuring you can drill holes accurately, and it's very easy to operate. Next is the benchtop drill press 6.2 amp. The same electric motor drives the spindle, which allows it to effectively drill into a wider range of materials. Its feed mechanism and depth settings make every hole precise and consistent. This drill press is a great choice for woodworking, metalworking, and even plastic and DIY projects. Did you know? These two drill presses are suitable for a wide range of applications. Whether it is home repair or creation, they can come in handy. So how to choose? If you need strong power, processing harder materials, and smooth switching of high-frequency drilling, choose 6.2 amps. If your project is a simple DIY, 6.0 amp is a good choice. Bucktool inherits the spirit of American craftsmanship. Our tools can always meet your expectations for high quality and durability. Choose Bucktool to make every DIY project of yours simple and fun. Thank you for watching. See you next time.